uh, for making a brother a friend in the person of Wong and introduce me to your group. I'm a songwriter. I've been writing songs for these past 3 years, and my song is forever in search for singers, for voices to interpret the song that I'm writing. And I really don't know what to sing because I have lots of songs. I have read 2 albums, well, not 2 books for that matter, all unrecorded. Thinking that I would be writing a song of books, a book of songs, book of songs. Nevertheless, I'd like to serenade you with one of the songs that I love. The title of the song is Buyai. You know that? You know the meaning of Buyai? It's a lullaby. My name is Anton Ferrer, but I go by the name of Manu. We give concerts on environment. In fact, I have been writing a lot of my songs on environment, and I have just written a song that's called Climate Change 101. If there's time, I would share this song to you. But this is the Buyai.
Munting tinig nalulungkot sa isip, pilit na pinupukaw ang himbing na damdamin. Alisin na ang iyong takot, manatag ang loob. Sugat ng nakaraan, ibaon na sa limon. Napapanahon na huling pagbigyan, laya ang puso magmahal. Kaya damdamin itangay ng akos ng pagsinta, pagsuyo, lubos. Ito, hampas ng araw, patak ng ulan, awit ng mga ibon, iyak ng bagong napapaalala, lahat ng nagaganap ay bahagi ng ating paglalakbay. Lungkot at ligaya, hirap at tagumpay, sa puso'y dapat lamang magmahal. Hampas ng araw, tak ng ulan, awit ng mga ibon, iyak ng bagong silang. Nagpapaalala, lahat ng nagaganap ay bahagi ng ating paglalakbay. Lungkot at ligaya, hirap at tagumpay, sa puso'y dapat lamang magawa. Tingin mo pagmasdan ang sayaw at awitin, uyahin ang buhay.